So you all know Downloader, and here is the end of Downloader as you know it. Downloader is a Firestick app which is on your Fire Sticks, your Android TVs and other devices, and you all recognise this logo. This logo, Downloader, due to copyright changes, everyone tries to copyright everything these days and it's an absolute pain in the butt. But due to this, Downloader is changing forever. So, if you want to learn more about this, do stay tuned, stay with us, bear with us, and stay with us for this video. Remember to hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, because obviously here we do everything related to streaming. And good news tonight, we've got a quick shout out from Tech Doctor UK as well, because we shout him out in a lot of videos. He aspires to be like us, and it's really appreciated his shout out. So here we go.
It's clear to me and must be clear to you that Doc Squiffy is by far the best YouTuber ever.
Thank you, Tech Doctor. Appreciate that as always. Make sure you do go and follow him as well. So, back on our Fire Sticks. As you see, this is your Downloader logo. It's changed. Boom. But not just as it changed, we've had an update as well. So Downloader, if you've got it installed, so Downloader we use, for anybody who doesn't know it, we use it to install apps from external sources on a Fire Stick or a Fire TV device. Means we can install from my website, FreeTech, Tech Doctor, Lee TV, Rohas, loads of them. Time for Streaming, Cord Cutters, all the main guys, Fire TV sticks, they're all out there, and we install from them. But because of that, we need a Downloader app really. There is other ways to do it, but Downloader app makes it simple. And due to a copyright case, they had to change. So, what's changed? Welcome to Downloader by aftvnews.com. Downloader has a new icon and logo, but rest assured it's still the same app from the same developer. As a reminder, the app is now officially available for phones and tablets from the Google Play Store and Amazon App Store. Downloader is 100% free and relies on your donations to keep it available. Please consider donating using the buttons on the home screen if you enjoy the app. Okay, so it does rely on your donations, and there is a big donation bit at the bottom there. So if you do use Donator a lot, sending a couple of pound, £50, £100, it depends how much you use it, really does help them out. But they do have adverts going on as well. So they show to their website, and as websites load, there are adverts there as well. But I recommend if you can spare a couple of pound, do give some to them. So the main thing is the icon has changed, and I don't want you guys to be confused because the icon is different. It's a new app or anything like that. It's the same old app. But someone put a copyright claim in against them, which means this had to change. So if you actually search Downloader, so when you search it, what you will notice is actually there's other look, there's people already trying to jump on it. Okay, so you've got a blue app, which is normally orange. Ultimate Download app provides a one-stop shop. These could have been the ones who put the false copyright claim in. They've got the same icon. It's blue though, not orange. They're calling themselves Downloader Fire. I don't even think I want to open it. I don't want to install it, but let's have a look at it. Trailers and screenshots. It's very similar in a way. They've just changed the logos. So we need to be careful. Downloader's done us all solid for years. So let's make sure we're supporting Downloader. Chuck those donations over to them as well. The developer's a very nice guy. He's only out there trying to help you guys out. And because of that, it really helps. He seems to have some form of link, I don't know, with Amazon or anything, but he seems to keep his app in the App Store. So let's make sure that carries on. Brilliant. Real quick video today. Hope you enjoyed that one. Might get another shout out on tomorrow's video from another YouTuber. I'm working on it. I'll see what they can bring us. But before we do go, if you are new here, remember that follow button. And a quick word for one of our partners. If you are after a VPN, would appreciate, we have a link underneath for one of the cheapest VPNs around, which does keep your security and keeps you safe online. This is one of our partners, so we do get a small affiliation. Helps support the channel because we don't charge for anything. We don't have paid memberships or anything like that where you get a shout out in a video, or a paid membership where you can join a group. All our groups on Facebook and other social medias are free. Everything's free we do. But if you do want to support the channel, buy in a VPN because you get one in return and we get a small commission. Does help us out. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.